it's Megan here, and today we will be doing these mermaid packing, and I don't know how to say it, but if you want to read it, it is there. So we are going to unpack these, and as you can probably see, I've already had one, and that was Lulu I had there, and I've got her here. And in water, she's not blue, she's green. You can just see blue reflection. And apparently they're supposed to have magic shells. So today we're going to start by opening mermaid number 1. So let's cut it open. See if I can get in. Looks like I'm not getting yet. Let's see who we get. Who have we got? We have got Susie! Mum! We got Susie! Yay! Little Susie. There's in the seafood bag. And she looks a bit like that. So, I absolutely wanted to see. So, straight one, work. Now, second one, there's a little message there. So yeah, cuddly mermaid. So who else do we want? We're probably going to get Kelly. But who knows? Someone else be okay. Right, second one, here it comes. Nope, that little courage doesn't work. Sorry. Who's we got? Not Susie again. So got quite lucky. And not got a repeat. And I wonder who it is. So let's have a look on her little chart. Who we got? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? And we got Kim. So hope you enjoyed, and I really wanted these. So thank you for watching.